and Digital. I am Adarsh Vebachedu. People are going out of their way to get their second dose of vaccine owing to the reports of shortage of vaccines from states. But there is absolutely nothing to panic about if your second dose of vaccine, be it Covishield or Covaxin, is delayed. Health experts are reassuring that there is nothing to worry in this regard and that matters surrounding vaccine supply are also improving. I had a word with Dr. Venkat Rao, a professor of community medicine. He's someone who has served as a site investigator for Covaxin trials held in Bhubaneswar. I asked him what will happen if we prepone or postpone our second dose from the given date. And his answers may surprise you.
Many thanks, Dr. Venkat Rao, for speaking to us. Firstly, Doctor, please tell us, owing to limited vaccines, we're getting to see instances where people are going to great lengths to ensure they take their second dose of vaccine within the stipulated time period. They're in fact panicking and are even traveling to more remote locations to get their second shot of vaccine. Please tell us if it's okay if the second dose gets delayed and what are its likely impacts.
I would like to give you two answers to this. The first answer, straightforward answer would be, if the second dose is delayed, you don't have to worry at all. But the point remains that the more important point, what I would like to highlight here is that the people have started becoming panic. There is no need to be panic about the current situation, what is happening. Because even if you take a vaccine, it is not going to save you from the wave 2 of the pandemic. Because let us suppose you are taking the vaccine today, the first dose, and the second dose after about a month, or maybe in case of Covishield, maybe after 2 months. Beyond that, at least 30 days you have to wait for the body to respond back with a sufficient level of antibody. Okay. That is point number one. Point number two, now if you are taking a vaccine, even then it is not 100% effective. Covaxin has a recommendation of 4 weeks gap, 4 to 6 weeks. Covishield has been given a gap of 6 to 8 weeks. But the studies have already proven that beyond 12 weeks, that is, after the first dose, if you take it 3 months later, the second dose, still that is effective enough. Rather, it is better effective. Now, in many situations, it happens that your vaccine is not available and you are running around to different places, the different nook and corners of the country to get it vaccinated. In the process, you may contract the disease rather than protecting yourself. And the last portion, what I would like to highlight is, in case there is a serious delay, even then you don't have to repeat the vaccination because the previous dose, which was supposed to give a protection, has given you a little amount of protection.
But again, if I were to draw your attention to one particular case, we want to talk about Maharashtra, for instance. What the state government has done owing to a shortage of Covaxin doses in the state, what they've done is the vaccine doses that were procured for 18 to 45, they have now diverted those vaccines to administer the second dose of vaccine for those above the age of 45. Should states be looking at such steps in order to ensure that those over the age of 45 get their second dose quickly? Should that be a priority? Should other states be following the Maharashtra model? And to just add to that question, since you've been involved with the Covaxin for a while now, could you tell us as to how long we can really wait before taking the second dose, particularly with respect to Covaxin?
Remember, the vaccine is not a solution. Vaccine is out of the several, weapons what we have. This is one of the weapon. The most important weapon which was played 100 years back was not the vaccine or the remdesivir or oxygen or nothing. It is basically the only mask and social distance.
True, true. Doctor, lastly, in contrast, what if we were to shorten the deadline? Suppose if vaccines are available, I've already taken my first dose and it may not be 4 to 6 weeks, but the second dose is available, say in a week or 2 weeks time. What if I go ahead and take that second shot a little earlier than deadline?
That is not advisable because for example, in a phase 1, we tried the same thing at a gap of 2 weeks, and antibody response was whatever was there, but better antibody response was at the gap of 4 months. 4 weeks. So I would recommend that better not to prepone it, but the postponement as per the situation is nothing going to change you.
All right, all right. Doctor, lastly, what would be your final word of assurance to those watching you? Again, we have to really bring about some sort of reassurance in the public's mindset who are worrying about the second dose of vaccine. You have constant reports doing the rounds that there is a shortage of vaccine. So what is your word of reassurance to the public?
See, in case of those people who have received a Covaxin, they can comfortably wait for 2 months, not an issue. And for the people who have received Covishield, rather they should wait at least for 3 months, 12 weeks gap, and then they should take the second dose. But there could be some issues with the logistic arrangement in the COVID application, but that need to be addressed by other authorities, different authorities.
Okay. So bottom line is people can be rest assured there is nothing to worry about.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, all right. Many thanks indeed, Dr. Venkatrao, for speaking to us and
Thank
for
you.
shedding light on this very important topic of what were to happen in case if your second shot of COVID-19 vaccine is delayed. Many thanks indeed, sir.
If you like the information that I've shared with you, make sure you like and share this video, and yes, subscribe to TV9 News on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.